Welcome. In today's video, we will be going over how to list products on Shopify using Ad Lister. This feature is not incorporated out of the box to Ad Lister. It comes as a paid add-on, and it was developed to make listing products to Shopify using Ad Lister as easy as possible. Adding this feature involves a setup procedure and some coding on our end to make sure everything works perfectly. The Post to Shopify add-on will save you a bunch of time and resources. You won't need to waste time with creating and listing products on your Shopify store because you can list the products that already exist in your Ad Lister account, thus eliminating the need to create new products for your Shopify. Once this feature is enabled and ready to use, we will be able to start listing our products in no time, in just a few easy steps. But before that, I would like to mention that when the feature is enabled, we will notice that when we go to edit an individual product, we will now have a Shopify details section added to the product. You can choose to fill out these fields for your Shopify platform specifics, or leave them empty if you would like to list the product using the general values that already exist in Ad Lister. And once you fill these out, you have the option of saving by selecting Save and then Post to Shopify. After that, a window will pop up where you can select the Shopify platform you want to post to, and you can tick what details you want to send or not. Also, if you have multiple Shopifys connected to Ad Lister, you can select the ones you want to post the product to, or post the product to all of them. You click the respective button, and that's all. The product should be on your Shopify store in the next few minutes. This was one method of posting the product. The other one is more straightforward. All we have to do is go to the products page, tick the product that we want to post, and then we go to the platform actions here, and in the drop-down, we select Post to Shopify. And the same way as last time, the window will pop up, and we will proceed to post the product with the respective button. As mentioned earlier, to enable this feature, we will have to activate it on your account, and we will have to map all your products accordingly. The whole process might take up to a week, depending on the workload of our developers. If you're interested in this feature, feel free to contact us. The details can be found in the description below. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.